Properties of exponents challenge integer exponents. We have to compare the expressions, so we'll convert them into an equivalent form. So first of all, 5 to the power 12 into 5 to the power 8 is equal to 5 to the power 12 plus 8, that is 5 to the power 20. Now here we have 25 to the power 20. So we'll convert this 25 as 5 square. 5 square is 25 and to the power 20, that is equal to 5 to the power 2 into 20 or 40. Here again 25 will be 5 square and 25 to the power 5. So to the power 5 and then to the power 4, that is 5 to the power 10 to the power 4, that is 5 to the power 40. C is, we will multiply inside the bracket 5 to the power 3 plus 2, that is 5 to the power 5 to the power 4, that is 5 to the power 20. D is 5 to the power 5 into 4, that is 5 to the power 20. We want 5 to the power 20. A is 40, B is 40, C is 20 and D is 20. So C and D are the answers. Okay, we'll put everything in a standard form. What is the standard form? Nothing in the denominator, and in the numerator also we try to simplify as much as possible. So this is equal to 2 to the power 5 into 6 to the power minus 5. We have taken it up, and also we will write 2 to the power 5 into 2 into 3 to the power minus 5, that is equal to 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 5 into 3 to the power minus 5. 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 5 is 2 to the power 0, that is 1. So there is no need to write that multiplying by 1. So ultimately this is 3 to the power minus 5. Now let's start evaluating this. This is 3 to the power minus 1. We take it up. At the bottom it is 3 to the power plus 1. On top, when it goes to numerator, it will become 3 to the power minus 1. B is already in the standard form, 3 to the power minus 5. C is minus 4 to the power minus 5. So this will be equal to minus to the power minus 5 will be minus 4 to the power minus 5. And D is 2 to the power 5 into 6 to the power minus 5. So we'll write 6 as 2 into 3 to the power minus 5, that is equal to 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 5 into 3 to the power minus 5. 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 5 will become 2 to the power 0, or that is 1. No need to multiply by 1. So this is equal to 3 to the power minus 5. We want 3 to the power minus 5. A is not the answer. B is correct. C is not the answer. D is correct. So B and D are the correct answers. B and D. Go to the next one. 4 to the power minus 2 into 7 to the power minus 2. There is no simplification possible here. We will come to the options. This is 4 to the power minus 4 into 7 to the power minus 4. B is 28 to the power 2. That becomes 28 to the power minus 2. And 28 is 4 into 7. 4 into 7 to the power minus 2. That is 4 to the power minus 2 into 7 to the power minus 2. C is 7 to the power minus 2 by 4 to the power 2. So we'll take 4 up, 4 to the power 2 up. So it will become 4 to the power minus 2 into 7 to the power minus 2. D is 4 to the power 4 into 7 to the power 4. So now start comparing. 4 to the power minus 2, 7 to the power minus 2. A is not the answer. B is correct. 4 to the power minus 2, 7 to the power minus 2. C is also correct. 4 to the power minus 2, 7 to the power minus 2. And D is not correct. So B and C are the answers. Okay, let's do this. This is equal to 7 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 to the power 6. Now A is equal to 7 to the power 8 minus 2. That is 7 to the power 6. B is 7 to the power 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. That is 7 to the power 7. C is 7 to the power 2 into 3. That is 7 to the power 6. And D is 7 to the power 12 minus 2. That is equal to 7 to the power 10. We want 7 to the power 6. So A is correct. B is not correct. C is correct. D is not correct. So A and C are the answers.